welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Suspected gelatin blast at San Jose de Areal, 1 dead, 4 injured. Twin blast shocked the quiet village. Not a single mining worker unpaid during suspension of mining. Deadline to submit names of unpaid workers ends. Mining companies submit roll of employees. Kepe police arrests 34 people including 10 women for blocking ore transportation at Kaure Pirla. People demand job or contract for their trucks. Karnataka government agrees to put concrete blockade on canal from Mahadai River to Malaprabha Basin. Work to complete by 30th May. And first National Dew Ball Championship from May 19 to 21st in Varpai. 30 teams including Maharashtra, Karnataka and Delhi expected to participate. Now news in detail. 1 person died and 3 injured in a twin blast at Amia Bhat in San Jose de Areal on Thursday evening. Exact cause of the blast could not be ascertained, but preliminary investigation pointed at blast due to gelatin. Police have ruled out terror angle in the blast. 2 children and 1 woman are amongst those injured.
As of now, as per the preliminary information, we have there's an incident here in this particular spot where an explosion has taken place. So we are investigating all angles as of now.
So how many people are injured?
One person is injured and one person has expired and 4 are injured. Please.
At initial stages, it was told that it is the LPG blast. Is it a LPG blast or any other thing?
As of now, I cannot say anything. I cannot confirm or deny anything because we are investigating. Please, no, we are investigating. Right now, it's too premature to decide anything on the nature of the blast.
Saron matalinga sir. Mako bonna boili kankiri boili. I forgot to cut kara koden soilola teshi gela purito. Aning kara chinda rupon sahle. And think Paula Tidlan dam kar farzalo. Farzalo ani Tidlan yik padzalo masheran ani padzalo dam kar. એટલે માખ મુઈ દાપાચી તે કોણ ના ગાલે બીલે સારકે आणखी ते एक पार्ट सुसोनियनो च मजेर अंगार पटोला आलो चुकलो मास.
Mines Department has not received a single name of any unpaid worker from any of the mine leaseholders. Mines Department had asked for details from mining companies about the workers who were not paid during the period of mine suspension in Goa following Supreme Court directions. List of mining workers on roll shows that all the workers were paid. The 7-day deadline set for mining companies to submit the names ended on Thursday.
There are reports that thousands of mine workers are unemployed due to suspension of mining in the state. Supreme Court has directed Goa government to pay 50% wages and DA to workers of mining companies who have not been paid their wages during the period of mining suspension in Goa. Following directions, Mine Department had sought details from mine leaseholders about workers who were not paid during the period of mine suspension in Goa. Mine leaseholders were asked to submit these details within 7 days. After 7 days, not a single name of unpaid worker has been received by the Mines Department. Sources said that many workers who were working on mines were mostly from Odisha and Jharkhand. After suspension of operations, they left the state and went to their native place. They were working on contract basis. It is very difficult for the Mines Department to get their data. Goa government is already running schemes for the mining affected people. Nearly 1,700 people have applied for these schemes as affected people, and 7,800 truck owners are availing the benefit. Now the question remains, how many people are affected due to suspension of mining in the state? Goa government in its affidavit mentioned about 1.25 lakhs people are affected due to suspension of mining. Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Kepe police on Thursday arrested 34 people including 10 women for interrupting ore transportation at Kaure Pirla. People are demanding job or contract for their trucks while transporting ore. Ore transportation began under police protection on Wednesday. Mines Department has threatened that any obstruction in implementing the Supreme Court order will be considered as contempt of court.
Kaurepilla turned tense on Wednesday and Thursday. Villagers say they were promised by mine owner that they would get job and contract for their trucks once mining activity and ore transportation starts in their village. Now, ore transportation has begun. Villagers say dump handler must deal with problem of villagers first before starting ore transportation. Villagers also said that concerned authorities should provide them jobs at the mining site or operate their trucks on contract for ore transportation. People were detained at Kaurepilla mine on Thursday after they blocked the ore transportation. They were later shifted to KP police station. People are demanding ore transporter to use their truck for transporting the ore. KP MLA Babu Kavalekar rushed to the police station to control the situation. One of the women from Kaurepilla informed media that locals went to the mine site and questioned transporters on the ore transportation. They also questioned as to why were the locals not being given the jobs. Police have detained 34 villagers.
आम्ही तेंक विचारले न्ही तशें म्हणटरी मागीर ते भितर उडोवपाचें तेंच्यांनी हें केलें गाडयांत बसोवपाक हें करून लोकांक सगळ्यांक
कोण स्टार्ट करता मायन कोण स्टार्ट करता
मागीर ते म्हणपाक लागले गव्हर्मेंट आयजे जाल्यार आमकां म्हणलें आमी काय सगळे पेपर्स जाय कसो रूल आसा तोय बी आमकां सगळ्यांक कळपाक जाय अशें म्हणून हांवें केलें आमच्या कामगारां बद्दल जे मायनीर कामां वयताले तेंचे बद्दल ट्रक ओनरां बद्दल आनी लोकां बद्दल हो प्रश्न आमचे 3 हे प्रश्न सगळे सॉल्व जावपाक जाय अशें म्हणून आमी सांगलेलें तेंकां ते कोणा कडेन कांयच उत्तर ना सकाळच्यान आमी वाट पळयता ते कितें तरी सांगतले कोण कांय सांगना वयर वसा एक वसा कोण आनी अशें म्हणून सांगता खंय वचपाचें आनी कितें करपाचें आमकां तें खबर ना न्ही.
However, despite witnessing a day-long tension and high drama, police are tight-lipped on the issue. Late on Thursday evening, Mines Department issued a notice on ore transportation issue, stating that ore transportation is happening as per Supreme Court order. Any obstacle or blockade of transportation could be considered as contempt of court. Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
A godown of Sahu Marketing caught fire on Thursday evening. Fire brigades were fighting till late night to control the fire. The flames increased with every passing hour and buildings in the vicinity also caught fire. The situation became uncontrollable when fire brigade faced shortage of water due to constantly rising flames. The loss is expected to be in crores of rupees. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.